Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to talk about most used and most powerful 5 chatbot in this video. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. The first one is Gemini.ai. Gemini by Google integrates advanced conversational AI capabilities into various Google service and devices, making it one of the most widely used AI tools for search, productivity, and general purpose interaction. The next one is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT continues to be one of the most popular AI chatbots, known for its versatility and conversation, content generation, and assistance across a variety of fields. If you write something with AI, then I will prefer you to use ChatGPT more than Gemini.ai. The next one is Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft AI Assistant integrated into Office 365 and other Microsoft products, helps users with productivity tasks like drafting documents, creating spreadsheets, and offering contextual support across applications. And the next one is Po by Quora. You need to sign in or sign up to use this. Po is a chatbot platform created by Quora, allowing users to explore and interact with different conversational models for various purposes, from answering questions to casual chats. The next one is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is conversational search engine that combines AI with real-time web information, providing high-quality, accurate, and detailed answer for users, making it a popular tool for research and knowledge acquisition. So guys, these are the top 5 chatbot in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.